Good morning. It is Friday. Yay! Good morning. Welcome to Loewenwood Homeschool. Say hi. So today is Friday, which means it's an epic day. Yay! It's Epic Adventure Day. Fridays for us always mean lots of fun. We have a really easy homeschool day. We like to do art, and we get our craft on, and we get to be really artistic. We'll also do an epic adventure where we travel away from home and have an outdoor adventure. Today we are going to be sliding on a giant hill. I'm a little worried just because I've got little girls that I need to somehow get to the top of the hill. But that's all part of the adventure. So we'll have our great big outdoor adventure today, and then we are going to have our movie and pizza night, which we have every night. So I am so excited. Friday is always the best day. It's a great way to kick off the weekend. It's just to have a little bit. Oh, you're helping me out? Oh, you're okay. You don't need to sweep the walls.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
Yay, Friday.
Okay.
All right, guys, we all have our cloths. We're ready to do our art. Today we are doing another Degas art, which is chalk on cloth. So that is what we're trying today. So the first thing we need to do, you know what it is? You might be surprised to know we are going to take this milk and we're going to brush it all over our cloth to make it wet.
Okay.
Okay, that's the first part. So go ahead and get started. Go ahead.
Okay, that's so interesting.
Okay.
That's interesting.
I
Paintbrushes smell so good.
I feel like I want to lick it because I love milk.
It smells like vanilla rice milk, because it is.
I think mine's ready.
Okay, so if your cloth is completely soaked and wet.
What? Completely?
Well, the part
just
that
have
you
like a
the part you
picture.
want to do art on. So if you don't want to do art right to the edges, that's fine.
I want to do art here.
Yeah, okay. If you're all done, then you get a colored chalk.
I'll get
So
this
there's
color.
bunches in there, and then there's another.
I'll get this
keep going.
colored stuff.
And you can draw any image you want.
It's kind of
Super interesting. I sort of want to. After this, can we drink some?
You want to drink some milk after this?
And with a different color accent here. Look, you almost fell, Mommy.
I think I've
Careful.
normally
So it looks like it's a little bit hard drawing just because the cloth wrinkles
What
up.
color do I want?
Yes.
I need pink. The pink was
Well,
in
you're
here.
doing a good job, Brooklyn.
Da, 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 da,
I'm
da.
probably going to draw something artistic like a tree. I don't love drawing trees.
And on the iPad, we looked up Degas again, and so I just typed in chalk on canvas, and like, here we go, ballerinas and artists. Those were his favorite to use chalk for. Cool, I really like that washerwoman. That's pretty. So then what we do is we put it face down onto a piece of paper. The newspaper is just to give a little buffer between the picture and the table.
Then we iron
We
it.
put some tin foil down and an iron. And this is the heat is supposed to set the chalk into the fabric. It's to be a chemical reaction.
I get it.
This is really dangerous. I don't know how we did it without electricity.
Wow. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, don't touch.
They're not hotter than the sun. The sun's hotter than it.
All right.
Da-da-da-da.
Wow. Looks amazing.
One question. How did he do the art without bills? I'm pretty sure those weren't invented. It's not hot.
Ooh.
That's when he went into the painting.
Yeah, very cool. Now we'll put the pictures into our frames. What do you think, Jackson?
I think it's great. It was really hard to do the trees. And there's no
Wow.
black. and it smells like milk.
Okay, all the big kids enjoyed the squares so much last time. They want to make squares again.
Headed to the park. Yay! So exciting.
All right, everyone, we are here. We're at the park. We're gonna try and go sledding. It's a great big hill. We've been here before, right? We haven't filmed it, but we've been here before.
Yes.
We
We went here for a friend's birthday.
We've got 2 little girls asleep because it's quite a drive here. It's about a 20-minute drive from our house. It's in the neighboring town. Yeah, they fell asleep in the car, no surprise there. And Evelyn has already let herself out. She's all ready to go. So we better get out there and get going, huh?
And have fun.
Yeah. So while I get the little girls out, the big kids have decided to climb the giant snow hill in the parking lot. That seems to be the per usual thing that we do on our adventures now. So yeah, that's what they're doing. Hey, good job, Brooklyn.
Also, we made it.
Come get your sleds, okay, girls?
Okay. I'll be your sleds. Yes.
Well, I kept her asleep. That's a one win. This little girl did not stay asleep high. She's a bit grouchy. Okay. Good job. Okay, we made it. And look, those little girls are already at the top of the hill. Oh, here she goes. Oh, it's fast. Don't hit the... Whoa, you almost hit that jump.
Why did I pick them? Oh! That was way faster. That was so much fun.
So I'm just at the bottom of the hill. The little girls are both asleep again. Magdalene fell back asleep just walking over here. So I'm just gonna hang out at the bottom of the hill with 2 sleeping girls while the big kids toboggan. I must say, having 5 kids is so different than having 2, because if I had just 2 kids like Carolyn and Magdalene, my littles, I wouldn't have come out. I wouldn't have come. They would have been asleep and I'd say, oh well, turn around, go home. But my big kids are excited, and so, you know, you gotta do this. So it is hard with littles getting out, for sure. But the bigs, oh, they're so excited. Good job, Evelyn.
Mommy, this is from mountains.
Oh, is that a mountain sled?
Yeah, it's a mountain sled.
Oh,
It's
good.
a mountain.
You did amazing, Evelyn. Well done. Going again? All right. You want me to come with you? I would love to, but I have to watch the little girls. I have to watch them while they sleep. Next time, okay? Next time we'll come with Daddy. Good idea? Excellent. We're back in the car. We're gonna be heading home soon. I'm just in the passenger seat, just breastfeeding baby Magdalene. The kids are just reading some books that we got from the library. Thank goodness we went to the library first. So the kids can just wait until Magdalene is fed and they're busily occupied. Okay, we're home, so I rushed to make pizza, got it in the oven, and we'll be able to have our pizza and a movie in just a moment. All right, we've got our pizza made and cut. You can see we put the all cheese in the middle because Evelyn doesn't like crust, but she likes all cheese, and we put the pepperoni around the outside, so the kids who like pepperoni also like crust. This is for Carolyn, who can't have cheese. She gets a little cheeseless pizza. And then of course we've got our squares, our chocolate chip cookie squares, which we made today. And then the other pizza. So Mommy and Daddy, we like meat, we like tomatoes, and I'm trying pickles on pizza. Have you ever tried that? I saw this on Facebook, so I'm gonna give it a try.